Every landmark begins with a legacy. Ours began in 1974 with a vision to build enterprises that strengthen India's growth story.
NSL Group, the flagship company, the Nuziveedu Seeds Limited, is celebrating the 50th year of its existence. NSL Group, I think, offers quite exciting opportunities in all our businesses, be it seeds, be it real estate or sugars and textiles. These are the areas where we are quite spread. And anybody who works with passion, works with commitment, will have fantastic opportunities in our company.
NSL Group has grown into a diversified Indian conglomerate with businesses across seeds, sugars, textiles, power and infrastructure, backed by over 5 decades of credibility and skill. The journey took root in agriculture. Nuziveedu Seeds, the flagship company of NSL Group, today serves 2.5 million farmers across 17 states with over 350 seed varieties, supported by over 3,300 distributors and over a 50-year legacy.
NSL Infratech is a part of the legacy organization Nuziveedu Seeds, which has been a backbone for agricultural for the farmers community and agriculture in India for the past 50 years. So NSL Infratech is part of the diversified portfolio.
From seeds to sustainability, NSL diversified with discipline. Fully integrated textiles with over 275,000 spindles supplied to over 150 brands across the globe, to M&S, Uniqlo, Inditex and many more. Renewable power through solar, wind and hydro. With a forward-looking ambition, NSL Group forayed into realty with an objective to develop world-class SEZ parks across India, not just creating buildings, but enabling economic engines and integrated business ecosystems. With over 16 years of experience, NSL Infratech has established a strong pan-India presence. 12 commercial projects, 21.75 million square feet, 6.1 million square feet operational, 15 million under development and 20 million on the drawing boards.
We don't compromise on quality. So whatever we do, we ensure the quality is met. This quality we achieve by maybe using the latest technology. We are always, if you really look at it, our buildings and things, even when you enter this place, if you look at it, it is facial enabled. I mean, face recognition software is put in. So we always put in the latest technology. We really ensure that the client is happy. We do not mind going that extra mile.
NSL Tech Zone Noida, Orion Business Park, Hyderabad, NSL Arena, Uppal, the largest integrated township in East Hyderabad. Few of our marquee clients are The next chapter unfolds in Whitefield, Bengaluru, an upcoming approximately 5 million square feet IT development in one of India's most established technology corridors. From conception to completion, at NSL, we adopt the latest technologies like building information modeling, augmented reality, and the highest standards of sustainable initiatives, transitioning towards green power across all projects, complemented by a vibrant ecosystem of amenities, sports zones, curated food courts, pop-up retail, community events, EV charging, solar power, kiosks, and everyday essentials like banks and ATMs. At NSL, development is only the beginning. Through robust asset management, integrated systems, and life cycle oversight, every campus is managed for long-term efficiency and value. Growth for NSL is inseparable from responsibility. High-performance facades, energy-efficient systems, water-positive planning, renewable integration, climate-responsive design, and long-term carbon reduction strategies guided by global standards and recognized through certifications. We have received IGBC Platinum certification for most of our projects. Beyond commercial, NSL Infratech is shaping residential communities with over 12 million square feet of residential development planned with infrastructure-first thinking. NSL has also contributed to the rejuvenation and enhancement of Khajagoda Lake, Hyderabad, revitalizing a key urban water body while promoting ecological balance and creating a sustainable space for the community. Responsibility extends beyond real estate. Education scholarships, healthcare camps, livelihood programs, and rural development initiatives. Alongside this, the group continues its efforts in women empowerment, farmer empowerment, and sustainability initiatives across all group companies. From seeds to skyline, NSL is one of India's trusted developers with a presence across multiple cities.